Step E. Take off all cutting tools from head modules. Remove the dust from the machine head. Spray the oil onto a cloth and clean out the cutting head. Step R. Remove the dust from the cutting beam. Spray the oil onto a cloth and clean out the cutting beam. Lay a fabric on the machine table to prevent the falling of oil stains. Spray anti-rust lubricating along the guide rail. Use a clean cloth to wet the rust on the guide rail. Apply lubricating grease to maintain wet lubricated. Repeat to move machine head left to right. Helps the lubrication of guide rail and rack. Step 10. Remove the dust from the two sides of machine. Spray anti-rust lubricating along the guide rail. Use a clean cloth to wipe hot oil and dirt on the guide rail. Use a clean cloth to wipe hot oil and dirt on the guide rail. Apply lubricating grease to maintain wet lubrication. Repeat to move machine. Lean back and forth. Helps the lubrication of guide rail and rack. Step 2. Remove the neck plate from projector. Use air gun to blow away the dust from the neck plate. Step 2. Use air gun to blow away dust from cutting, lag and machine lacking table. Until now, the care and maintenance of CNC cutting machine is done.